The minimalist philosophy, at its core, is not about the deprivation of possessions, but rather the intentional curation of space to foster a sense of tranquility and effortless function. Nowhere is this more vital or more challenging to achieve than in the kitchen. As the operational headquarters of the home, the kitchen must accommodate a vast inventory of ingredients, tools, and technology. When left unmanaged, these necessities create visual noise that disrupts the architectural purity of the room. Achieving a minimalist aesthetic, particularly within the constraints of smaller spaces, requires a strategic approach where every item has a deliberate, concealed home. IKEA's ingenious storage systems offer the perfect toolkit for this transformation. By moving beyond basic cabinetry and utilizing their advanced organizational modules, integrated lighting, and easy-to-clean surfaces, you can orchestrate a culinary environment that remains perpetually pristine, hiding the heavy lifting of daily cooking behind a facade of absolute calm. Mastering spatial economy with vertical integration. In minimalist design, particularly when optimizing a compact kitchen, the primary goal is to preserve clear, uninterrupted horizontal planes. Countertops must remain empty to create an illusion of expansiveness. To achieve this, storage must be driven upward. The IKEA section, or Mitat, depending on your region, tall cabinet frames are instrumental in this vertical strategy. By installing floor-to-ceiling pantry units, you effectively capture the often wasted space above standard upper cabinets. These towering, monolithic structures act as architectural pillars within the room, drawing the eye upward and elongating the space. Inside these tall units, you can install pull-out wire baskets or solid drawers. This allows you to consolidate your entire pantry, bulk goods, and oversized pots into a single, highly concentrated zone. When the flush, handleless doors are closed, the immense volume of storage vanishes into the wall, leaving the rest of the kitchen's footprint completely liberated and visually silent. The appliance garage, concealing culinary technology. One of the greatest adversaries of the minimalist kitchen is the countertop appliance. Coffee makers, toasters, stand mixers, and blenders, while essential for modern cooking, introduce awkward shapes, tangled cords, and visual clutter that instantly compromises a sleek aesthetic. The solution is to design a dedicated appliance garage using IKEA's specialized hardware. You can achieve this by resting a deep section wall cabinet directly on the countertop, or by utilizing a standard base cabinet with specialized doors. By equipping this cabinet with specialized hinges, such as the lift-up or bifold door mechanisms, you create a hidden workstation. You can house all your daily appliances inside, permanently plugged into concealed outlets. When it is time to brew coffee or toast bread, the door lifts effortlessly out of the way, revealing a fully functional prep zone. The moment the task is complete, the door glides shut, instantly restoring the kitchen's flawless exterior. This clever zoning ensures that high-utility technology never intrudes upon the room's serene atmosphere. Sculpting with light, integrated MIT LED illumination. A truly refined minimalist kitchen relies heavily on lighting to define its geometry and enhance its functionality. Bulky pendant lights or ornate fixtures can detract from the clean lines of the space. Instead, lighting should be treated as an invisible architectural element. IKEA's Middle series provides an exceptionally elegant solution for this. These ultra-slim LED spotlights and light strips can be seamlessly recessed or hidden beneath upper cabinets, providing brilliant, focused task lighting directly onto the countertops without the fixture itself ever being seen. Furthermore, integrating middled lighting inside deep pantry cabinets and wide Maximera drawers completely transforms the user experience. The moment a drawer glides open, the interior is flooded with clean, bright light, illuminating your meticulously organized tools. This focus on concealed, functional lighting ensures the kitchen is a joy to work in at any hour, maintaining a bright, airy aesthetic without relying on visually heavy light fixtures. Streamlined surfaces for effortless maintenance. Minimalism is intimately connected to the concept of easy maintenance. A kitchen that features intricate millwork, deep grooves, and excessive hardware requires constant, tedious cleaning to prevent the accumulation of dust and cooking grease. To maintain a pristine environment with minimal effort, the physical surfaces of your cabinetry must be as streamlined as possible. Opting for flat-panel IKEA fronts, such as the matte Kungsbacka or the high-gloss Ringholt, is essential. These sheer surfaces offer no crevices for grime to hide. For the ultimate in streamlined design, the Voxtorp series features integrated, recessed handles folded directly into the edge of the door. This eliminates the need for any external knobs or pulls, creating an incredibly sleek, flush profile that can be wiped perfectly clean with a single, unbroken swipe of a microfiber cloth. By prioritizing these smooth, unembellished surfaces, you ensure that the physical act of cleaning your kitchen is as simple and stress-free as the room's visual design. Microorganization, achieving internal symmetry. The final layer of a minimalist kitchen is establishing strict order behind closed doors. Throwing irregularly shaped bags of flour, brightly colored cereal boxes, and mismatched spice jars into a beautiful, hidden pantry simply shifts the chaos from the counter to the cabinet. True minimalism demands internal symmetry. IKEA's Friera and Kugi storage boxes are the perfect tools for this internal calibration. By decanting dry goods out of their visually noisy commercial packaging and into uniform, clear IKEA 365+ glass containers or opaque Kugi's boxes, you create a deeply satisfying sense of order. When you open a pantry door and are greeted by perfectly aligned, uniform storage solutions, it reinforces the calm atmosphere of the entire home. You can group similar items into sleek white Friera bins, one for baking supplies, one for snacks, one for coffee accessories. This modular approach to microorganization ensures that every single item has a precise, contained boundary, preventing the gradual creep of clutter and preserving the integrity of your minimalist sanctuary.